Alright guys, so hopefully, I think I only get 5 minutes of recording time, so I don't want to waste anybody's time with this. I'm going to really quickly show you where you need to be at for the asynchronous learning day. I'm at the Great West Lodge with my family, so what I'm doing is I'm going to go through and show you what you're going to be doing during your daily schedule. So I'm posting this in homeroom. I'm going to make it at the very top, but to give you a rundown of your day, it'll look a little bit different than what you're used to. You're going to start with art. There will be no me letting you on a Zoom call because I won't be here all day. So you're going to have art from 9:20 to 10. You guys should know that because it'll be Tuesday. From 10 to 11:30, you'll have math, which is pretty similar. You're going to have to watch a video, and then you're going to work on your math rotation sheet. So let's take a second and let me show you where that video is, and then I'll come back to this. I'll go this, I'll go back and forth. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and hit create. All right, so in homeroom, we're going to go to the math course. And similar to what you've probably been used to, if we click on courses and we go to math, we're going to click on Unit 3, which is called Numeration and Computation. Inside of the Numeration and Computation unit, you're going to choose the one that says Fractions to Decimals. So, computer's running a little slow right now, but we will get there. Numeration and Computation with rational numbers, it's Unit 3. You're going to click on Fractions to Decimals. And here it is. So the first thing right here, this is the video I want you guys to watch. It's about 10 minutes long, and it kind of goes over the skill for the week. And then just work on your math rotation sheet for that hour and a half. So 10-minute video, and then working on this for roughly, what, an hour and 15 minutes? That's not asking a lot. That's plenty of time to work on stuff as far as the rotation sheet is concerned. And as far as the rotation sheet, I had to make a lot of the things images. Like you have to click on it and hit edit image. I apologize. I know normally in the past you could just write right onto the actual document, which you can, but you just kind of like you technically have to hit edit. You'll see. I'll explain it. Like if there's any questions on the rotation sheet, I'll explain on Wednesday. But just do the best you can with the rotation sheet that's provided. Worst case scenario is you grab your yellow book and you work on the pages that are provided. Everyone should already have this book at home that they could work on it. All right, so that's math. Let's go back to the thing in homeroom and look at our schedule and what comes next. So I believe you have lunch, right? You have lunch for an hour, and then at 12:30, I have you coming back and do a writing performance task. I'm not even going to waste my time looking back at that lesson for the day. I'm just going to go straight to writing because again, this video I only get 5 minutes to record. So let's go to courses. So when it's time for writing after lunch, you're going to go here. You're going to click on writing. I made this really easy for you guys. At least I think I did. I hope I did. I posted it at the very top. So once you click on writing, the very first thing says copy of writing performance test. Maybe I should even put the date on it so no one's confused. But when you open this up, which I will right now, it's going to be a Google slide. And we have to do performance tests at least twice a year. So we're going to do one, which is now mid-year, and one at the end of the year. Basically, it's a writing task that I'm going to give you 2 weeks, meaning this week and next week, to work on. With little guidance or assistance from me, if that's the better word to use. So when you open your copy up, the first page is going to say writing performance task, as you can see mine does. Very slow. All right, and basically for today's portion, you're not going to be doing much writing. You're actually going to be watching a video and taking some notes. So you'll see what I mean here in just a second once it loads. And on the actual lesson plan for the day, I say which slides you need to complete. So you're going to read slide 2, which is consisting of your writing assignment. Slide 3, you can also read. It's going to give you your task. And slide 4 is where you're going to start making